Hello everyone, this is Gloshine. Welcome to visit our booth at Hall 3. This is our new panel. It's carbon fiber. Per panel is only 10 kilograms, so per square meter just 20 kilograms. This is carbon fiber, and even though working with the wind bracing system, you can hang for 20 meter high, especially for the big festival. And this one, also a new panel, is 1 meter by 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter by 1 meter. We can do transparency screen or 3.9 high definition screen. Also with this wind bracing system, you can see the lock is so strong. Yeah, normally we put this panel in the dolly and connect the dolly, make it very fast installation for big festival. Also, this is new panel. This is 5.7 with the black face lamp. The brightness can be 5,000 nit. So it's the highest contrast for outdoor and highest brightness for outdoor. Also, you can look backside. There is a stacking system, a wind bracing system. This is a new one. Welcome to check the lock, the curb lock. Yes, we're also going to have another booth. Is a test area. The customer can try each panel here. Let's have a look. And this one, 1.9 indoor, 1.9 indoor, fine pitch. It's a new lamp. It's a new lamp. The lamp is different from GOB, COB, or 4-in-1. It's much more disadvantageous. So this new lamp is more durable, more flatness, and more black. We call it Super SMT. It's a new lamp, new technology for the indoor fine pitch. Okay, let's go to this test area. We're gonna show you the panel. We're gonna show you how to handle this. This one is the flexible one. You can see. Just use one hand, you adjust the degrees and close the lock. Yes, this panel is flexible. It can combine with the normal degree panel. You can see the degrees. Yeah, this panel is that one, the main screen. Yes, this is the 1.9 from us. Also, we have super light panel. This carbon fiber, 0.5 meter by 1 meter, only 8.5 kilograms. So per square meter, just 17 kilogram. It's very light. We're gonna have the horizon size, the vertical size, also the small size. These three sizes can combine together to make special stage. Also, the indoor and outdoor can have the same frame. So for customer, if you buy 3.9 indoor now, maybe in the future you just change the modules 2.9, 2.6, 1.9. Yes, it's very cost effective. Also, there is a transparency screen for festival. 2 strong hanging lock and side lock. Also can make a cube, especially for festival. Okay, welcome to visit Gloshine booth. We hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.